Hello, my name is E and I'm a representative of I.F.Mathematics.Academy, I.F.Ma. And today we're going to be talking about quadratic equations, and under this we are talking about the completing the square method. Now, today we are looking at our example, what must be added to x squared plus 6x to make it a perfect square. Now, for more videos on quadratic equations, where we just do the basics on factorization, you can see our previous video. It should be in the description down there. So, and you can also like and follow us there to get more videos. And as I said earlier, what must be added to x squared plus 6x to make it a perfect square? Now, first things first, we use our roots principle, which is very essential for us mathematicians, and which is read, understand, think of the solution, and solve the problem. Okay? So now we have read the question, so now we need to understand what must be added to x squared plus 6x to make it a perfect square. And let us call that hidden number, let's call it k. So we let the unknown number be k. So we can then rewrite the equation as and this is the way the equation will look like. Now, we have two means of doing this. We can solve this by doing it the conventional way, or we can take it a little step further and act like we're more advanced. So I believe we should take the more advanced step, but you can also see the easier way in our previous videos. So x squared plus 6x plus x plus k. So now this means, suppose this equation is equal to x plus a squared. So then this becomes, after expansion, so this is then after expansion, this is what you should get if you do it on your own. So now we compare the coefficient of x and x here and k. So now what do we see? We see that the coefficient of x here is 1. So we don't need to write that. So then the coefficient here of 2a is 6. So now that we have to get the coefficient of a, so that will be and we all should know that to get our a, we need to divide both sides by 2. Therefore, our a becomes 3. So now we have gotten our 3. Now, our a, sorry. So now once we've gotten our a, go back to the expanded version of the equation, and we see a is a squared. So therefore, a squared is what? 9. And we know that 9 is a squared. So therefore, we can also write since this is a word problem question, we have to answer in words. So we therefore say 9 is the number that must be added to the equation to make it a perfect square. And now we have solved the real life problem, which was expressed in the quadratic equation. Now, on to our second example. What must be added to d squared minus 5d to make it a perfect square? Now, this is just another version of this. The only difference is the sign. This is the minus sign. So therefore, we can write this. But I think we should use the more conventional way to solve this. So I'll show you the two steps here. This is the equation. So after that, guess what we're going to do? We are going to divide the coefficient of 5 minus 5 by 2. So that will be minus 5 divided by 2. And we are not going to turn this into a decimal. We are going to leave it as this. And then we are going to square it. So minus 5 squared is 25. 2 squared is 4. You see what I have done here? I've just taken the coefficient of d, which is minus 5, and divided it by 2, and then squared by answer, which is 25 over 4. Then we add that to the equation, because say what must be added to d squared minus 5d. Therefore we have and since this is a word problem, you have to answer in words. So therefore, so 25 over 4 is the number that must be added to this equation. And for more videos, you can actually follow us on YouTube. We have our page there. You can see the description to other videos, our previous videos in our description. And you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We're online everywhere. And also leave room for constructive criticism. Share with your friends, watch videos, like, and we hope to see you next time. Thanks.